Good afternoon. We're doing 2021 Donruss baseball.
Have fun in Texas. Alright, sounds good. Alright, later.
Sorry. Rodney.
I have it here, but Rodney didn't come out very well when I chicken scratched it.
Burgess. Gotcha. There you go.
Said he just left the rental car.
Oh. Thank you, sir.
Is he out there already?
Yeah, he's been there since like 9 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
He was thinking about he was going to be a second, if they would have him earlier. But I kind of figured that wouldn't be the deal. Anyway.
Yep, Clark Donruss has some very nice.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine. How are you doing today?
Doing well.
Hey, how are you doing, man?
Fine. How are we doing?
Can't complain. How about yourself?
Pretty good for an old man.
Well, that's good.
I got my shot, so I'm good to go.
Good.
I'm jealous of everyone getting the shots. I can't get a shot yet.
I had to drive. We live in Birmingham now, and I had to drive all the way to Auburn to get it. But
Oh my.
Oh, wow.
You here for your Ty Cobbs?
yeah, and I've got some more. You may not want to fool with me again.
Well, we'll fool with you, and we don't mind fooling with you. But the price is going up.
I'm not worried.
Yet again.
I'm not worried about the price. It's already out of sight.
It's even more out of sight.
Is it?
Yes, they just went up on us again. Alright, here's your stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do random divisionals if you guys would like.
This one I got on this one. I don't have money on my credit card, but I can pay with PayPal, and I didn't know if there's any way you guys could take PayPal.
Yeah, we can take PayPal.
Okay.
PayPal's fine.
Okay.
Nice right there. Trending out of 349, Luis Robert.
This is what I want to send off.
Okay.
All right, you still got it. Should be 15.
Brian Hayes out of 2021.
You have a $22.94 credit because they wouldn't do one of the cards.
Okay.
It's
That's nice.
in there. You wouldn't mind? Let's see. What's today?
The 18th.
Joey Bart, rated rookie. Rojas out of 2021. Nelson Cruz, Diamond King foil.
On the, well, not dotted line, but it's a line. Alright, thank you much.
Oh, nice. There you go. Signature Series, Casey Mize. Dahlbeck out of 400.
Let me see that again. I'm sorry. What did we do here?
All the green ones have come back.
Oh, okay. So the other ones are still waiting on?
Yes.
Okay, it's the green ones.
Mike
that are coming.
Trout.
Okay.
Parallel.
The green, the other ones.
Had to go in a different order
Since
because of
they-
how they.
Babe
Okay, all the
Ruth.
ones you got back are stuff from 2017 and up.
Austin Meadows,
Those are
55 of
They're
100.
different service level than the ones older than 2017. So they got split up in orders.
Okay.
So, here, let me.
So
You can take.
I still got to come back and get some more then, don't I?
Whenever they come in, yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so, yeah, all right.
Whit
Yeah,
Merrifield out of 2021.
Okay.
So
Jack
all the ones
Flaherty.
in green you picked up.
Okay. You just.
Do you want to take a picture of it, or?
No, I'll tell you what. I'll just check them off on this.
Nice.
Okay.
48 of 99, Nico Horner.
Got number 2. Number 2, number 4. Number 6.
Bo Bichette, Luis Robert, base.
13.
Joe Adell, rated rookie.
14 and 15. Okay.
Carter out of 2021.
Right sir. This was the sport team.
Unleashed, Cody Bellinger. Casey Mize, rated rookie.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, I was wondering if they would do sport kings. They didn't, did they? So that's 1,
Garvey out of 2021.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Joe Adele.
8.
And then 9.
No, I think I counted that one.
Oh, okay.
1,
Harper.
2,
Mike Trout out of 2021. There you go.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Is that right?
The Fanatic. Good afternoon.
That's what I've got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Very good. Alright.
You signed that one.
Gregorius.
Yes, sir. And that's, you just said what, 318?
Mm-hmm.
Lucas Giolito highlight out of 9.99.
I got $22 credit,
Yes, sir.
and you have to give me a price on these. So
Okay. It is substantially more.
they may not do that one, but I want to try.
Vladimir Guerrero out of 313. 318.
I'll tell you what, you get you some nice looking comps.
Well, this is it. I'm not buying any more. I was in debt. For
Keegan Aiken.
About $9,000 with PayPal buying all my cards, and I sold a mock Trout card that you guys sent off for me years ago, and I got back almost even. And after I sold it, it's about $8,000 card. Then they billed me for $750. I said, that's it. I'm
Fernando
through with
Tatis
PayPal.
out of 2021.
I'm not buying any more.
I'll tell you what, that right there, that's a nice little lineup right there. I like that.
Well, all my
Thank you very much.
I'll have a set. All
John, if you want any more, let me know.
That's what I want. That's what I was wanting.
He's one of my favorites for the old school guys.
Yeah.
All right.
I named my first son after.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so
That's 17. And that's all I want to say.
Okay. So go ahead and if you don't mind, fill out the top like you would on any other one.
My handwriting's so bad you won't be able to read it.
I'll tell you what, that's fine. That's okay. We'll do it.
All right, we have more Donruss. We got Donruss basketball.
My handshake's so bad.
Just wait to ship, John.
I need the initials though.
Yeah, I'll be glad.
Okay, I need you to read that and initial there. And then, sorry, I need a signature there.
I'll put hold to ship.
Alright, and I will do the rest. Let me see. Okay, I just want to make sure you understand that their
Just give me-
shipping time is even worse than it was on this one.
Okay, I know.
Okay,
I know
we're trying to be straight with you.
Okay.
Before tax, for 17 cards, it's going to be $527. It's $31 a card now. And then I'll take off this after we.
Okay.
How do you want? It's only. Oh, I'm sorry. You're counting. That's like
That's
the worst
okay.
thing to do.
It's okay.
Are you
I'm
at a
20.
stopping point?
I'm at
Okay.
20. Just remember that.
Yeah,
number.
Donruss basketball. All we have is
So you want me
hobby.
to take him
I
off
do
the tax,
anticipate having retail in.
the 22 something we own.
Yeah, wouldn't that be? Isn't
Okay.
that the
Yeah.
fairer part?
Okay, well I'm good.
Okay.
So I anticipate retail shortly, but I don't have it in stock right now. And I haven't even looked at a price.